Birds of a Feather, Part 1. Go! Go! Hmm? Yes, honey? The eggs! They're cracking! A few seconds later. Oh, it's a boy. What are we naming him? Rio. Here comes the second one. A few seconds later. Oh, let's name her Lily. That's a wonderful name. Lily. It's really a pretty name. Like, maybe, let's say a few days later. Birds. I gotta get the birds. They're so far away, though. Look at them. They're so happy. I really don't want to ruin that. Fish sticks, come here. Dang it. Sorry, guys. It's taking me a while. I have to find it. I have to find something. I gotta wait for my owner. Where's my owner? Birds! Gotta get him. Got him. I have to eat them. Eat them, eat them. I have to eat them. They look so good. I mean, I don't usually eat birds, but I'm kind of hungry. I'm starving. I have to wait. So, I'm back. Finally, my owner. We can finally get home and go eat some food. Okay, buddy. Ready to go home? Woo! Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one horse. Hey. Our little brains. They're growing up so fast. What the heck is that? I must catch Sally. Oops. Sally, come back. Humans are weird. Yeah, they are. She said her first words. Yeah, I did. That's crazy. There's talking. What's that? Come on, buddy. Come on. All right. Let's set up right here. All right, let's sit down. Come on. Come on, old man. Stop being such a brat. Got some popcorn. Got some nice popcorn. Some nice raspberries. And two more things. A tomato. And a nice plant to keep the bugs away. Oh, we can't teach our kids to fly today. That dog will get them. I know. Come on, kids, get behind us. But why, Daddy? Just do it. All right. about we make them hide under some bedding? I mean, they're not really attacking me, so it's gonna be a little cray-cray. You guys should do it. The horse is talking to us? There's something dangerous about to happen. And I don't know how long it will be before our whole humanity is wiped out. What are you talking about? Soon all animals will be destroyed. What are you talking about? Tell us more. I can't. Well, I can. But if that dog hears, he'll tell the whole neighborhood. And that's no good. That dog telling his whole neighborhood something? Please. That would take 3 years. Alright, come on, buddy. Here's some water. Come on, buddy. Eat up. Drink up. I'll give you this bone after we get back. I guess you're right. So. Here's it. Come closer. You guys stay here. So, here it is.